Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, then you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. Hi guys, today we're gonna see how AdRoast is working with brands that they have shoes. I have picked just a random brand, Wasted shoes over here, and I picked a product, an easy product over here. We can see that we have some images. They have done video shooting, or maybe they have AI to also do these creatives. But let's see what we can produce with this. We have also these styles over here. Don't like it. I'm gonna use this one, the black one, which I liked more. Let's go into AdRoast. It's gonna be fairly simple, and you're gonna see how it's working. Generate ads. We go to images. We have 3 options over here: the store link, upload photos, and describe it. For this, I'm gonna use the store link. Describe it is more about lead generation. We will do also examples with lead generation. Let's go to this one. Let's take this. Let's fetch details, so that we can be able to take the information from the website. It's taking these images. Of course, there are more things that you can add over here. I'm not gonna do any of that, just to show you the lazy way. And in my opinion, it doesn't save you a lot of time if you do all of this. Of course, if you wanna do it, it's gonna help and create even better creatives. But I just wanna show you the power of, not of the power of being lazy, of course, but even if you're lazy, you can have good creatives with AdRoast. Over here, we can have offer, all of that. I added also specific text that you can have. So let's say that someone wants to add 3 texts. AdRoast has been created in a way that it's not gonna add more than 1 text, so that's not gonna make it crowded. But of course, we have SaaS products, local businesses, services that they need more than 1 text. Proof, brand colors, logo, you can upload everything here. I'm gonna just press continue. So until now, I just put it the URL, okay, nothing else. And with continue, we're gonna see now the presets. We keep adding presets every month, like a lot of presets. Let's go to this one is shoes. So let's go to either sports or beauty. Let's go to, not beauty, sorry, fashion. Let's see what kind of preset we can find. Now, one important thing to note about presets is this, that here, when you're not picking the model, you're picking the aesthetics, okay? So over here, we are picking the aesthetics, this kind of aesthetics, okay? That it looks like this, it's night, it has neon lights, moody, night streetwear with wet pavement, neon reflections, blah, blah. So this is what you're taking. You're taking this style, okay? So we're gonna take this one, and we're gonna press the generate button to generate 3 concepts. Okay, so don't forget that if you like one of our presets, we're adding more than 500% every month. I'm gonna try to make this 1,000 per month by hiring people, but it really depends also from the revenue that we're getting from because we're running also ads now and stuff, so everything is gonna preset. Everything is gonna preset from that. Everything is gonna depend on that, is what I mean. Okay. So over here, we're gonna see that it generated these concepts. You can see that it's using very good graphics here, the rain and everything. Perfect. This one is the other one. I don't like so much this one, but This one is really nice also. Then we have this one over here that I really liked, and basically I improved further. By improve further, don't forget that with AdRoast, every ad that you're gonna create is gonna be roasted, okay? Based on several pillars. We can see the full roast if you want over here. We can see what it likes, what it doesn't like, and things that it tells you that it can improve. Obviously, we have meta ads policy and many other things here, but I wanted to improve on social proof, just to add over here that we have X amount of reviews, and a little bit on the hook. I found this a little bit big and not so strong as a hook. So what I did is, let's go back to my library. So what I did over here is that I press improve further in order to improve my score. In general, if we have 70, 75, 80, I'm using those. Here I wanted to just add some extra things, and over here I just pressed I pressed 2500 5-star reviews, and I also checked the copy and wording. Obviously, for the social proof, we cannot lie for you. You will have to give us the numbers. No, I just changed these two, the hook strength and the social proof. And the result that we get was this one, just below 75, which is a good score to run. Step into suitable comfort, and we have 2400 5-star reviews. I like this creative. I think that this creative is really good to run it, and this is how you do ads for a brand which is all about shoes. Let's play a little bit with AI edit, because I think that you might like also the features there. So over here you can either download it. You're gonna take the 9x16, the 4x5 and all of that. You can manually edit, and you can add more text as you want, but you can also AI edit, which is a little bit revolutionary in the way that it's actually working. You can change the clothes, for example, that he's wearing, or you can replace the text with something else, or try your own prompt, whatever that may be. Let's try, for instance, another prompt. No, let's say, for example, let's say the background. So basically I came from here, I said change background, and I said put Chinatown in the background. I like the result. It's what I like. The big thing with this is that you can go back and forth to whatever you want to do. So here, if you don't like this one, you still go back, and then you can do something else. Let's say, for example, one thing that I'm thinking here, let's say that I want to change the colors, the neon light colors, to green. Green, and pick a color.
Pink.
Pink is already.
Purple.
Purple is already. Anything blue, it has also a little bit of blue. So we have green and orange, let's say. Okay. Thanks for the help. Let's do the prompt. Okay. So let's do this prompt, and let's say that I want to change the neon color lights to green and orange mostly. Let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, so now we have the results, and it changed to this one. As you can see, we have these 3 variations that I have just created. I don't have any more ideas on what to do here and play to show you more features. I will see you on the next video with another niche and another store to try more things with AdRoast.